is Avery, Natalie, Alyssa, and Ryan Jr. I don't know what they're doing.
Nobody wins because Junior cheated.
There they go. Boys out. Junior, give me a good one. I'm making a movie.
What?
Give me a good slide. I'm making a movie. Woo! Oh, right into the grass. Give me a good one, Natalie. Woo! I don't know what Alyssa's doing. She's crawling up the slide. What's your silly sister doing? Girls, you gotta move out of the way.
Watch out!
You guys should pull it over more. It's
There.
There you go. There's no slowing them down.
No way.
Woo! She screams all the way down. That's funny.
How do you rinse off?
The hose is right there. Who's going on their tummy for me? Whoa!
Hi! I'm all dirty.
Yeah,
The hose is right over there.
it's grass.
I think I'm gonna go rinse off. It feels cool on your tummy.
Okay, enough for now.